Hi friends, welcome to the part 4 of online learning maths. So in the previous videos I have solved question number 1 and question number 2. In this video will be solving question number 3 and question number 4. So question number 3 says, for following AP, write the first term and common difference. So we already learned that first term is nothing but A and common difference is nothing but D. So first term, first question, the first question says 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 and so on. In this, always remember the first term of the series will be the first term. So first term is nothing but A, it's also A1, which is 3. Common difference can be calculated. Common difference, there is nothing but D, can be calculated A n plus 1 minus an, or you can use an minus 1 also, whichever is convenient to you. So there is nothing but difference between the two consecutive numbers. So here I just calculate d1, which is equivalent to a2 minus a1, which is 1 minus 3. So since different signs, so you have to subtract it. 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2, bigger number is 3, so it is minus 2. d2 is a3 minus a2, a3 is minus 1, so a2 is minus 1, it is minus 2. d3 can be calculated as a4 minus a3, which is minus 3 minus of minus 1, so minus into minus is plus, so 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. So therefore common difference D is minus 2. I hope so you understood. So please try question number 2 in a similar manner. I'll just solve question number 3. So question number 2 is a homework problem. So question number 3 reads 1 by 3, comma 5 by 3, comma 9 by 3, comma 11 by 3. So you need not to find all d1, d2, d3, any two is fine, sufficient. So as the question carries 1 or 2 marks, so I just told in the previous problem that the first term of the series is nothing but A, that is 1 by 3. Common difference can be calculated as I told. d1 is a2 minus a1, that is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Since the denominators are same, so I just take the common ratio 3, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 by 3. So d2 is a3 minus a2, a3 is 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3, 3, 9 minus 5, it is 4 by 3. So therefore I can say common difference is 4 by 3, and first term is 1 by 3. First term is 1 by 3. So I hope so you understood. So next question number 4. So question number 4 reads 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9 and so on. So since as I told in the previous problem, the first term of the sequence always is your first term. So first term, so it is called A, it's also called as term 1, A1, which is nothing but 0.6. So common difference D can be calculated. So we just calculate D1, A2 minus A1, that is 1.7 minus 0.6, nothing but 1.1. So D2, that is A3 minus A2, so it is 2.8 minus 1.7, it's again 1.1. So therefore I can conclude that common difference is 1.1 and first term is 0.6. I hope so you understood all the problems of question number 3. Let us continue with question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 reads, which of the following is an AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. So write 3 more terms. So question number 4 says, so first I have to check if it is AP. If so, I have to find common difference, I have to find D, and I have to find next 3 terms. This is my question. The first question reads, it's Roman letter 1 of 4, that is 2, 4, 8, 16. You can just see over here. The first question, 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. First I'll just check whether it is AP or not. So to check whether it is AP or not, I have to find the common difference. We already studied in the previous video. So common difference, we have D, that is D formula. I just calculate A2 minus A1, which is equivalent to 4 minus 2, which is 2. D2, which is A3 minus A2, which is 8 minus 4, gives rise to 4. D3, that is A4 minus A3, 16 minus 8 is 8. So clearly we can say that D1 is not equal to D2, not equal to D3. So common difference is not same. So not same, and therefore it is not an AP. It is not an AP. So if it is not an AP, we need not to find D, we need not to find next 3 terms. As the question is clear that if it is AP, please find next 3 terms, or else no need to find it. Understood? So next we go with question number 2. So question number 2 reads, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. So we just find whether it is AP or not by finding common difference. So common difference D is D1, that is A2 minus A1, which is equivalent to 5 by 2 minus 2. So if it is, there is nothing, no number in the denominator, you can just add 1. So you can just cross multiply it. So 5 minus 4 divided by 2. So 5 minus 4 divided by 2 is 1 by 2. Similarly, D2 is equal to A3 minus A2, which is 3, that is nothing is there, minus 5 by 2. So cross multiply, 6 minus 5 by 2 is 1 by 2. I just find D3 also, A4 minus A3, which is 7 by 2 minus 3 by 1. Cross multiply, 7 minus 6, 2 3s are 6 divided by 2, it is 1 by 2. So therefore D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3. That means common difference is same. Common difference is same. If common difference is same, it is an AP. So it is an AP, then I have to find the next 3 terms. According to the given problem, I have to find the next 3 terms. The next 3 terms, already in the question number 2, it is clear that they have given 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms they have given, so I have to find out A5. A5, already I told, adding a fixed number to the previous term. Previous term is nothing but A4. For that, I have to add a fixed number, that is D. That is A4 plus D. So A4 is 7 by 2, D is 1 by 2. Since the denominators are same, so 2 is the denominator. So 7 plus 1, that is 8 by 2, which is nothing but 4. So A6. A6 is A5. Previous term is A5. I am adding a fixed number to the previous term. So A5, I am adding D to it. A5 is 4 plus fixed number is D. So that is, just take LCM, cross multiply. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 9 by 2. Then A7. A7 is A6 plus D. A6 plus D, that is A6 is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is LCM is 2, 9 plus 1, 10 by 2, that is 5. So therefore, the next 3 terms are 4, 9 by 2, 5. I hope so you are clear with this problem. So we will just go for the third problem. Third problem, so you can just see it. So what it reads, I just make the screen down. So this third problem. So third problem is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2 and so on. So to check whether it is AP, as we learnt, first we have to calculate whether the common difference is same among the terms. So common difference, I know, I have to find it, that is A2 minus A1, which is equivalent to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. So you get minus 3.2 minus 3.2, minus into minus, it is plus 1.2. So since 0.2 get cancelled, so 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. The bigger number is minus, so it is minus 2. It is minus 2. So D2 is A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, it is minus 5.2 plus 3.2, clearly it is again minus 2. D3 is A4 minus A3, which is equivalent to that is minus, A4 is minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2, it is minus 7.2 plus 5.2, it is minus 2 again. So clearly from the above we can just justify that D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3. So what I can just finally conclude, common difference is same. Common difference is same. So it forms an AP, that is D is equal to minus 2. D is equal to minus 2. So I have found it is AP. I have found that D is equal to minus 2. So now I have to find next 3 terms. As I told in the previous problem, they have given 4 terms, so I have to find A5. A5 is nothing but adding a fixed number to previous term. So previous term is A4. So A4 is minus 7.2. Minus 7.2 plus of minus 2. It is minus 7.2 plus into minus is minus 2. So it is minus 9.2. So 9.2. I hope so you're getting it. Next, so A6. A6 is A5 plus D. It's adding previous fixed number to the previous term. Previous term is minus 9.2 plus of minus 2. So that is minus 9.2. Minus into plus is minus. So it is minus 2 minus 11.2. Minus 11.2. So next term is A7, that is A6 plus D. A6 is minus 11.2 plus of minus 2, that is minus 11.2 minus 2, that is, I am adding 2 to 11, 2 to 11, it is minus 13.2. Hope so you have understood it. The next three terms are, minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Hope so you're getting the problem. So we'll go to the next problem. The next problem reads, fourth run. We have completed 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one, we have completed 3 problems. We are going for fourth problem. Fourth problem reads minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. Minus 6, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. So first we have to check whether it is AP or not. To check AP, we have to find the common difference. A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 is minus 6 plus minus of minus 10. So it turns out to be minus 6 plus 10, which is equivalent to 4. Similarly, it's D1. So I am finding D2, which is A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 2. So minus 2 is minus of minus 2. Minus 6. Minus of minus 6. It is minus 2 plus 6. It is 4. D3 is A4 minus A3. That is, A4 is 2 minus of minus 2. It is 2 plus 2. It is 4. So therefore, common difference is difference is same. That is, D is equal to 4. Common difference is same. So it is an AP. If AP, I have to find the next 3 terms. So they have given 4 terms, so I have to find the 5 and 6 and 7. So fifth term is adding a fixed number to the previous term. So A4, what is A4? 2. I am adding fixed number is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. A6 is A5 plus D. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. A7, A6 plus D, that is 6 plus 2, 8. So therefore, the next 3 terms are 4, 6, 8. I hope so you understood. So question number 5 can be taken as homework, so you can just try it. So if you have any doubt, please contact to my number, as I have given my number in the previous video. You can just WhatsApp me, that is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me regarding your doubts. I'll soon get back to you through video. Please don't forget to inform your name and place from which you are texting me. Thank you. So I'm just giving 5th problem as a homework. I'm just solving the 6th problem. So what is the 6th problem? 6th problem is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.222. So first I have to check whether it is AP or not. So I have to find out D, that is A2 minus A1, that is A2 is 0.22 minus 0.2. So I get 0.02. 0.02. This is D1. D2 is A3 minus A2. So A3 is 0.222 minus 0.22. It is 0.002. D3 is A4 minus A3. A4 is 0.2222 minus 0.222. So it is 0.0002. So clearly from above I can just say D1 is not equivalent to D2, not equivalent to D3. So that is common difference. Common difference is not same. Common difference is not same. So hence it is not an AP. So I can conclude that it is not an AP. You need not to find the next three terms. Hope so you're getting it. Hope so you're getting it. So have other two problems. That is question number 7. Question number 7 reads 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and so on. So in this problem, first I have to check whether it forms an AP or not. So to check whether it is an AP or not, I just need to find D, common difference. D1 is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 4 and minus 0, it is minus 4. So D2 is A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 8, minus of minus 4. So it is minus 8, minus into minus is plus 4, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. D3 is equal to A4 minus A3, that is minus 12, minus of minus 8. So it is minus 12, minus into minus is plus 8, so it is minus 4. So it is from above, it is clear that common difference is same, that is D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3. It is common difference is same. Common difference is same, that is D is equal to minus 4. So if common difference is same, so it forms a AP. Forms an AP. If it forms an AP, I have to find out the next three terms. Clearly 4 terms are given, so I have to find out the next three terms, that is A5, A6 and A7. So what is A4 given? A4 given is minus 12. So A5 is A4 plus D. A4 is minus 12 plus of minus 4. So plus into minus is minus, minus 12 minus 4, it is minus 16. So A6 is A5 plus D. A5 is minus 16 plus of minus 4, it is minus 16 minus 4. So you have to find out. So it turns out to be minus 20. A7 is A6 plus D, that is minus 20. 20 plus of minus 4, so it is minus 20 minus 4, minus 24. So therefore the next three terms are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. I hope so you understood this problem. So we just solved the last problem. So in the next video I'll continue this exercise. So I have the last problem of this PDF, that is reads 8th one reads minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and so on. So first I have to check whether it is AP or not. So whether it's AP or not, so I have to check the common difference, that is A2 minus A1. So which is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, which will be equivalent to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus is plus. So both get cancel off and I get 0. So d2 is equal to again a3 minus a2, which is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 minus minus is plus. So I get minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is again a 0. d3 is a4 minus a3, that is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, it is minus 1 by 2 minus into minus is plus 1 by 2, it is again 0. So clearly that common difference is same. Common difference is same. So what is common difference? So you know d is nothing but 0. So it forms an AP. If AP, I have to find out the next 3 terms. For the next 3 terms, you can just blindly say that since d 0 is only added, the number remains same. That is a4 plus d, this is a5 plus d, and this is a6 plus d. So which is nothing but minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So therefore the next 3 terms are minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. I hope so you understood the class. So for the next video, the next video will be uploaded soon. Please subscribe, share and like the videos. Thank you. Any doubts? You can just WhatsApp my number 9113564091. Name Ajay SR.